Hello friend, in this video lecture I'm going to discuss about how to get file name and extension in C#.net. So this is the code to get file name and extension. So file name with name, full name, and directory name and extension. So here let's start from first. So first we need to use system name space. So if I give the comment on the system name space, directly I'm getting the message on console. So that means console class definition that comes under system namespace. So this namespace that require. Now here after the next namespace so that requires system.io namespace. So if I give the comment on system.io namespace, then file info place that give the error. That means the file info class definition that comes into system namespace. So if I give on comment, then there is no any problem. So if you debug the code, then control comes to main method. Here after that go inside. So string type variable str that I have taken, and there I store this location and @ included. So this location you can see desktop here gems, and this file is there. So this is the file. Now here after the next is file info is the class that is used to creating, copying, deleting, moving and opening the files. And here fy is the object of file info created with the help of new file info constructor. And str, this all values is there, so that comes to this point. And here after a string variable f1 dot fi, and you paste the dot, then that come like name, full name, directory. So here you can test. So here if I give for fi, now press dot, so here you can see you can call this all length, name and file name, whatever you like you can call. Now here name, so fi dot name, so name go to f1, full name go to f2, extension f3, directory name f4. Now console.write, it is used to display the output string or values into the output screen. So file name 0 placeholder, path 1, extension 2, placeholder, directory 3. So here on f1 that take 0 extension, f2 1, f3 2, f4 3. Now here after f1 that name, f2 full name, f3 extension, f4 directory. Now let's run this code and check the output. So build started project, there is no any problem with the building, and this is the simplest way we can achieve file name and extension of the file by using C#.net. Now you can see the output here. So output you can see the first the file name it's displaying add node. Okay, so add node. Now here after path that is a full name, and here after extension dot xml type is there. So this taken third place order 0 1 2 place order, and third place order that is displaying the directory name. Now you can use this with any kind of file name. So here on gems there is a text file is there, the name is this. So here let's give this dot txt. Now let's run this code and check the file details. So here this is the text file, so definitely here you can see the output. File name is the this, full name, the path, extension .txt, and here you can see extension txt, directory, this all. Now if I give wrong file name, so let's see what happened. So I enter only this, so I think this .txt. Okay, I've given the file name this, so it's taken this, and here this is available on, and here it's extension displaying blank, and this is the directory gems. And here if I give this a, so let's see is there this a inside the file. So this a is not there. Now let's see what happened if I run this code. So here you can see the output. So this here I've given, so it's displaying this a, but here path it's taken, but extension it's not there, and directory location, so this directory it's taken. Okay, it's not showing the error, but it's given directory, it's displaying at these places. But for giving here, like I want to display here on the desktop Adam, not txt. So here let's give so you can include at this place any kind of path. So if you give txt, so here I have given ttxt, so extension ttxt is displaying, and directory, this all those things it's displaying. So it's not related with path, you can give the path anywhere, but whatever the things you have given on this str, so according to that it's displaying file name, path, extension, directory name, this all. So this is the way we can here display extension and file name by using C# console application. So I hope guys this video is helpful for you. So now in this video it's over. So thanks for watching. See you next video. Thank you.